Hello बच्चों, let us read the question. 10 resistors, each of resistance R, are connected in series to a battery of EMF E and negligible internal resistance. Then those are connected in parallel to the same battery. The current is increased n times. The value of n is option A 1000, option B 10, option C 100, option D 1. तो इस क्वेश्चन का की कॉन्सेप्ट है resistors connected in series and parallel. तो अगर we have n connectors जो connected है for n for n resistors, अगर हमारे पास n resistors है which are connected, then we have the resistors if they are connected in series, तो उनका equivalent resistance for series is given as R1 plus R2 plus etc. Rn, जहाँ पे सब R, if they have the same resistance R, then we can write this as n times R. Similarly, parallel connection के लिए this will be 1 by R equivalent parallel will be 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 etc. 1 by Rn. तो अगर resistors same resistance के value का है, then we will get the R equivalent in the parallel connection to be equal to R by N. तो इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए पहले जो डिटेल्स क्वेश्चन में दिए हैं उसको नोट करेंगे. सो वी हैव गिवन EMF of the battery, तो उसको E दिए है, resistance of the resistor given as R. So for series connection, तो पहले हम करंट को सीरीज कनेक्शन में कैलकुलेट करेंगे. हम उसको IS से डिनोट करेंगे. करंट इज IS is given E by the equivalent resistance जब resistors series में connected है. So we know that the equivalent resistance for series connection is, if you have n connectors, it will be n resistors, it will be n into R. तो यहाँ पे n is 10 into R, since n is 10. तो अभी हम पैरेलल कनेक्शन में करंट का एक्सप्रेशन लिखेंगे. फॉर पैरेलल कनेक्शन, current is, तो current in the parallel connection, तो ये है E by the equivalent resistance when they are connected in parallel. तो अगर we have n resistors which are in parallel, then that will be equal to R by N. So we therefore have NE by R. So the parallel, क्योंकि अभी n, we have 10 resistors here, so n is 10. So this is 10E by R. अभी क्वेश्चन में ये दिए है कि the ratio of the current in parallel increases by n times to the current which is in series. So therefore we can say n is equal to IP by IS. तो अभी हम IP by IS कैलकुलेट करेंगे. IP by IS is equal to 10 E by R, 10 E by R divided by E by 10R. तो ये होगा 10E by R into 10R by E. तो E और E कैंसिल होता है, R और R कैंसिल होता है. Therefore, IP by IS which is equal to N is equal to 100. तो अभी हम क्वेश्चन पे जाके करेक्ट आंसर को मार्क कर सकते हैं. The value of N is, the correct answer to this question is 100, जो कि correct option है, option C. Hope you have understood it well. Best of luck.